welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So we've got year-old gas in here and the motor's coming back in a few days. So Brandon was like, well, just hook the power up and we're gonna pump it out. So, so we got our homie Hayden here on the bypass switch, Brandon with the gas can, Union Supervisor Chris, and we got our new mascot here. So we're gonna turn her on. All right, you should have fuel pressure. No, wait, hold on. Safety switch in the back. All right, now you should have fuel pressure. There we go. You guys excited for the new motor? Forged pistons and rods.
It better last longer this time.
It's gonna be sad whenever my little 6-cylinder makes more power than your V8.
This is gonna take all night. There's 20 gallons in that tank.
This is a lot less messy than the other option.
See, I just wanted to pull the fuel line at the rear of the tank and let it spill out.
Yeah, but full tank.
Oh yeah.
Just the pumping. Oh yeah.
This is gonna take forever. I mean, it's 40 gallons an hour. So 30 minutes to do this? 30 minutes.
Just hanging out.
You can hang out for 30.
Maybe you shouldn't fill your shit up before you blow it up. You
Hey.
should blow it up on an empty tank.
Hey, we drove like
that would make the most
we
sense.
drove almost an hour before it died. So maybe it's not full.
Maybe that's why it blew up. It wasn't using any fuel, so it's really lean. So it blew up.
You got 40
Had the
mpg.
eco tune on there, man.
Eco tune, yeah. All right, we're done with this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned, and we will come back once the motor's here. Is it going fast? What?
Yeah, we're doing decent.
It's about a gallon. 1.1 gallons.
Pretty close to the same size.